No, I'm thrilled to be here. I've worked with Canadian Wood in Japan as well, and in China, now here in India. So to have the opportunity to come down and partner with a developer like Mr. Ali Khan has been phenomenal. And I'll tell you, after 18 months of lockdown in Delhi due to COVID, this was the first trip I've taken, and this is the one I wanted to do. So I'm delighted to be here.
We're very committed here. The Trade Commissioner Service, the High Commission of Canada in India, is very committed to partner with Canadian Wood on the successful conclusion of the Canadian Wood Villa project here at BTR Gardens by MAK Projects. Canadian Wood is a government-funded organization whose role it is to promote the use of Canadian wood around the world. And so the commitment is here with Mr. Pranesh Chibar to promote Canadian wood. And so we're here today to help celebrate the launch of this Canadian Wood Villa project.